I know y'all see the melt. I ain't buying her no more. Y'all. Like, I'm not even social distancing right now. Like, I'm not. Like, F the 6 feet. I'm in your face. Where's the lace?
I looked at him, in his eyes, he gave me all his bills. They asked me how I do this. Are you casting spells? Bitch, I gave you the game, but you lost it like an errand bat.
Yo, what's up? What it is, what it do? It's your girl, Kisu, you know, and I'm back with another video. I'm back with another video. Oh, so corny. No, we're gonna just cut straight to the point. This is my first impression / reaction / review on the new Got To Be Spray Insta Hold spray. I'm ready for this video. Like, I'm ready for y'all to see what's tea. You already know you're gonna like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Even probably repost on your Insta story, because we in quarantine. You're not doing nothing else. Yeah, thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.
Hey y'all, what's up? What's good? What it do? It's been a while. It's been a while, y'all. Anyways, let's get into it. We're gonna start off with foundation. I'm using my NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop, Rockefeller, you feel me? And I am just putting it on my lace so that the color match, y'all know. Now I am taking my handy dandy blow dryer, blow drying it till it's dry. I do this just so that when I spray it, I don't get any gunk or residue, basically. Now I'm about to take my Care wax stick. Y'all, I'm talking about how I found this on Amazon for like $8, but I'm buying it at the beauty supply store for $20. What the hell? Upset. Let me tell you, upset. Now I'm about to flip back my lace and I'm gonna spray my Got To Be spray on my scalp. Now I'm gonna tell y'all my method. I spray my scalp with the spray, I put my lace down, then I will take paper towels, I will pat dry the paper towels, clean it up, you know, and then I will pull taut, get my blow dryer and blow dry the lace. And when I do that, you'll see how you already see the slight melt. Like, you see the slight melt, no residue, no nothing. And I just repeat on both sides. I do the 3 sections just so that 1 is easier, 2 is cleaner, 3, you know, there's 3 sides to the wig. I don't know. You're gonna see that I'm talking, but I'm talking because I really did not plan on doing a voiceover, but after editing, I just feel like a voice better is just more suitable and more fit for the occasion. Anyways, y'all tell me what y'all plan on doing when you go back outside. Like, what hairstyle y'all doing when outside open back up? I want to give very much city girl. Like, I just want some long hair to my butt, and I want to go to the beach and just be in the sun. I don't know. Y'all just let me know what y'all plans are, because my plans, they're very much premeditated right now underneath the works. And now I'm about to tie my old sock around to do the work, and y'all about to see this spray, baby, very much tea.
I'm going to show y'all. Oh, they're not playing. Oh shoot, like this. What? I know you lying. Hey, y'all. Like, I'm zoomed in. Like, Got To Be sprayed? Okay. It is, let's see. y'all. Like, I'm tugging. I'm really tugging right now. I'm shook. I got it off of Amazon, which I will link below, for $5 compared to this got to be spray. The size difference, this is 12 ounces and this is 9.1 fluid ounces. But regardless, since I don't use a lot of got to be spray when I do put my wigs down, so this is why these last me. This one lasts me a long time, but this should really last you guys a long time too. It adheses very fast, and you don't need a lot, especially since there's no residue, no stickiness, like none of that. Like, I feel like I just used some Erica J type hold, like, on that bit, like, no cap, like. Yeah, I'm only buying this. Like, this is the new holy grail. This is what's tea. This is what's in. This is what I love. This is like everything. Got to be, y'all snap with this one. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Talk to me in the comments down below. Let me know if you do plan on buying it, and if you do buy it, tag me on Instagram, or just talk to me, or just let me know what y'all feeling, because this is it. Like, baby, this is I'm shook. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, babies.